Whoa, whoa. I hope you guys saw that. Looks like I have actually not fixed that problem from last time. You hear that? I do not know what the hell's doing that, but I do not like the sound of it at all. It really just sounds like it's skipping around there. I don't know how to tell if a bearing's bad or not, though. Whoa, whoa! Almost lost it there from another little twitch. Not really sure what's going on. Don't like it, though. Definitely don't like it. Still getting that little annoying twitches and sounds like it's really jerking and struggling. Whoop! That's a problem. That's why I want to get out to the field so bad, the diamond. Hopefully nothing broke up there though. Oh man. Ugh. There we go. Looks like it's all alright. One way to find out, huh? There we go. I'm actually gonna go change out my battery real quick, but while I'm thinking of it, I just want to apologize one last time for my profanity earlier. I thought I was just, you know, blowing off some steam after that crash, but apparently I really seriously offended a couple people, so for that I sincerely apologize, and I promise it will not happen again. Thanks for watching. I'll be right back with the next battery.